what the heck is this? He got those bars, she got those bars, they got those bars. He got those bars, she got those bars, they got those bars. They got those bars, but it ain't over naturals. Alright YouTube, you already know what time it is. Today is wash day. And yes, okay, I am that guy that pours the milk first, okay?
You really are crazy. I'm hungry.
Today, we are taking a look at the Fruity Crunch Conditioning Bar, okay? By Nova Naturals, of course, all right? This bar right here, I was sent this bar like a month back, all right? And I really didn't want to try it. I wanted to do the review first, but then I said, you know what? What's a review without actually trying it? So I tested it out. She sent me another one, and I'm telling y'all right now, this bar right here is it. This is a conditioning bar. The way I use it, we're gonna get into it. Stay tuned.
Where you get your beats?
Also, you guys, this is a Nova Naturals rag. You can pick it up at novanaturals.org. All right, so let's just get into it. First things first, let's just get my hair wet. All right, now that my hair is wet, I'm not gonna take the new Fruity Crunch bar. I'm gonna take the old one that was sent to me, and we're just gonna apply it, you know, on damped hair. So when I use the bar, I like to start on my crown first, just to kind of develop my crown to get it locked in so my crown don't move. And that's how I apply the first coat, all right, the first wash. That's what I do. I'm just gonna brush this in, do a long brush session, make sure that everything is nice and clean. And remember, this is just the first wash. So a lot of times on that first wash, you won't get a lot of lather because basically you still have all that dirt, grit, and grime in your hair. And basically, I always like to use this wash just to clean, and then the second wash to lay down and do the washing style, all right? So I'm gonna rinse this out. Let's go. All right, so we got it washed out. Let's do the same thing, starting with our crown. like to mold my hair with the lather and then add my oils. The oils that I'm gonna be using, well, it's just gonna be one oil that I'm gonna use, is the virgin babasu oil. So I'm just gonna put a generous amount in my hair, kind of dab it in everywhere. Then after this, I'm gonna put my do-rag on. So I'm gonna recommend that you put a damped do-rag on, basically a wet do-rag on. And what I like to do is I like to put some virgin babasu oil on top of my do-rag. I'm basically gonna rub it in until all the soap is gone and it's back to that do-rag color. Then next, I'm gonna steam it in. Steam this in for about 10 minutes, and now it's time to rinse this out with cold water. All right, I repeat, use cold water. All right, now that I rinsed it out with cold water, it's just a waiting game at this point. You don't want to leave your tail in a knot. You want to leave it hanging out because it'd be the last one to dry. So I just like to leave it like that and let everything dry. Then we're gonna come back for the results.
Wavy, 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 wavy.
All right, you guys, and the results, they're here. Let's go.
Wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy.
All right, so as you can see, my hair looks a lot healthier. It looks laid down, not a frizz on the top. This product right here, I'm telling you right now, this product is fire. All right, you could get it. Links will be in the description below. novanaturals.org. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. This is the before, this is the after. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, all right? More videos to come. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.